Well, before I give you the guided tour of Matt's Matocaster, we'll show you just how accurately it tunes with a floating tremolo. Matt is a local artist from St. Mary's. Him and his wife are actually both amazing artists. Matt is actually kind of a multi-medium artist, and he's gone to town on his Strat. I absolutely love what he's done here. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a guided tour. So he brought it to me to get it to sort of set up and regulate it once he'd sort of done his thing. I actually prefer this to somebody just kind of distressing a Strat to try and make it look old. So it is 100% functional now, plays like a dream. It's got the S1 switching too. This is a nice guitar. So it's set up to float 9 to 46 strings. Super stable tuning, as you saw a minute ago. Great guitar. Congratulations, Matt. Love it.